This is a aerial view of the Hamper Helper inside the hamper, and we're going to have just a quick discussion of the features and how it's working. It is powered up right now. There is one relay light on. It is unpowered. Motion detector is here up in the front. The audible buzzers here, LED flashers in the front. This is the longitude light source and the longitudinal phototransistor assembly. This is the latitude side. Over here is the spritzer atomizer assembly. It's in a little cutout cup just in case there's leaks or anything. So we're going to observe it from the top view. To get the thing to trigger, someone has to walk in front of it. Oh, there we go, it set it off. The first thing will happen is you see the atomizer is giving a little spritz. And there is a relay on for that. The power supplies are up, and it'll take a little time here before the light sources flash. They turn on for about 150 milliseconds each and read the beam on the other side. As long as it's not blocked, there'll be no alarms. You see them flash. The latitude flashes first, is received and checked, then the latitude, and it has timed out. We can make it longer if we like, but that is the basic operation. And then we will have a fault condition if we block the beams. Okay, I was reaching for something to stick in front of the light sources to block the beams, and I re-triggered it. So it is spritzed again. And once it starts flashing, I'm going to hang a piece of clothing to block the light beams. And then we see that it set it off. So this is the top view of the test. And if you remove the clothes, it resets itself.